Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You spot a yellow copyright claim. Act now. First, open YouTube Studio and find the Copyright tab for the affected video, then note the claimant, exact timestamps, and whether it's a claim versus a strike. Next, pull together your source files, license agreements, purchase receipts, or written permissions and the original upload date. You do this because YouTube evaluates ownership proof. Once you have those assets, you're ready to choose between trimming, muting, or disputing the claim. Now prepare the actual challenge. Decide if you'll edit the segment, accept the claim, or file a formal dispute. Choose dispute when you have clear ownership or valid license. In the dispute form, state who you are, why you own the material or why fair use applies, and reference exact timestamps and file names. Attach original uploads, licenses, invoices, or release forms. Submit and monitor the claim window. You must be ready to elevate with more evidence if the claimant responds unfavorably. Finish by following outcomes. If the claimant retracts, the yellow label clears. If the dispute is denied, request retraction with added proof or consider a counter notice only when you're certain of legal standing. Keep organized records of all messages, evidence, and decision dates in case of escalation. If detection persists, troubleshoot by checking audio fingerprint matches, trimming or replacing the flagged segment, or using licensed alternatives. Make sure to act within YouTube's deadlines and consult a lawyer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.